Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms and Farpoint Farms Restorations and Repairs, and we are on a road trip. Going to take a look at a car, a bucket list car that I've been looking for a decent one for a while, and headed about 2 hours away from the house, which is not unusual. About everything that's worth getting is about 2 hours from where we live. Managed to con my wife into joining me. Say hi, Jen.
Hello.
So we're headed there, and we're going to take a look at it. I'm not going to be taking it home today. I don't currently have a truck big enough to haul it, but we're going to arrange shipping if it works out for us. And yeah, so I'll take you along for the journey. Another project, something we won't probably get started until midsummer, but something cool. Let's take a look. So here it is. This is what we found. Oh, she was rough when we came across this old girl. But you could tell that the bones were still good. Even as it sat here for all these years, it was rough, it was dirty, it hadn't been washed in 20 years. Now the previous owner, they'd spent some time on it. The guy that had bought it, he was into buses, and he had tried to get it running. In fact, they had put another motor in it. But the more they tinkered with that engine, the more problems they ended up having. That's okay, because we ended up deciding to go with a different engine altogether. We did a Subaru swap on this. And well, we're still in the process here where you see it. But I figured it would be interesting to give you guys a look back at what was going on with this bus when we got it. What we were thinking the day we saw it in the rain and a cold February day 2 years ago. And man, what a cool adventure it was going out there and seeing this thing. I guess that's it. We'll wrap this up. All right, so I am soaked to the bone. Of course, it opened up and was pouring, and it's about 40 degrees. That happened about 5 minutes before we got to where we were going, but it is a deal. Farpoint Restorations has a 72 Volkswagen Westphalia van. Jen and I are really excited not only about the restoration, but about camping in it. I mean, it's going to be a great, fun thing to have in the family. And so I'm excited. Jen, are you excited?
Road trip.
Yeah. Jen's the one that gave the seal of approval on this purchase, too, because, you know, I defer to her judgment. Sometimes I get a little happy about buying stuff. So, awesome. Anyway, guys and gals, take care. I will see you next time, and stick around. It looks like we got 2 restorations going on at one time. See ya.